Welcome back to another video here at Caremed. So we are in the sunny Atherstone, beautiful weather. Welcome back to another video here at Caremed. Just behind me you'll see three wonderful British creations. On the right, the Bentley Brooklands. In between, what needs no introduction, is the CH5 chair from Caremed. And then on the right we've got the BAC mono. So we go from something in Crewe to Atherstone to Liverpool. What is it, you may be asking, that joins all three? We've got the Bentley Brooklands, a symbol of luxury and comfort. Speaking of comfort, that just transitions us over to the CH5 chair, which, as you all know, is extremely comfortable with its gel pad inside the cushion there, and is used in hospital settings to speed up the mobilisation of patients and get patients out of the hospitals quicker. Which, speaking of speed, there's no better symbol of speed than the great Scouserland BAC mono, which we have here. I mean, just look at it. It speaks of track focus, speed, agility, and just crushing lap times.